Very nice at the pool, guys. Hey guys, we are here. Hey guys, welcome back for our video, and today guys we are here at La Vista and we are now currently at Merida Leyte, and today guys we'll be exploring La Vista Resort here in Merida, and let's do this. Let's go. So here's our breakfast guys. Ano tawag niya?
Food.
Long silog.
Ang tawag ni food ni siya.
Long silog po ni siya guys. No? They serve silog in the morning and coffee. Hey guys, what up? What's up, bro? And did you know? La Vista Del Rio means the view of the river. It has been conceptualized and designed to become a nature-inspired riverside eco-farm resort in Merida.
Hey guys, so today I am Kian and I will be your tour guide for today. So here we are right now in La Vista Del Rio, meaning the view of the river. So La Vista Del Rio has been conceptualized and designed to become a nature-inspired eco-farm resort here in Merida Leyte. So without further ado, let us take a look at the place.
So kani bro, unsa na siyang lugar kini?
So here in this portion is the function hall or function area in which different events can be held like weddings, birthdays and etc. So moving into the interior parts of this farmhouse, we can see the video room or the chill room in which we can sing karaoke and chill with our friends.
So kani bro, apil ni siya sa kuan, sa package kini nga room. Sa tanan ano gani siya. Kini siya usable gyud siya.
Apil na siya.
Mapil po siya. Kaya price ni ngani if ato siya ikon, ato siya.
If ato exclusive kay 4,500.
Exclusive na siya.
Dito sa room, so this is the small room.
So this is a small room.
So guys, this is the small room in which is good for 2 persons. So in this room there is an air condition and a toilet and shower. So moving on to the next room is the big room, which is priced at 1,500. Good for 2 but can be maximized into 6 persons.
Sumo ni siya. Big room. Nice guy.
You can also take a look at that.
We have also a CR.
So moving to the other portion of the place is the pergola or the guest lounge. So before we explain about the guest lounge, we have to talk about the ATV. So this ATV is from Drive Bikes PH, and this is Tor 125cc with 125cc 4-stroke engine 4x2. Aside from that, we are going to talk about the guest lounge. So this is the guest lounge of La Vista Del Rio. So basically you can feel comfortable as a guest. You can do whatever you want. You can have a drink of water, or you gotta boil some water for some good coffee, you know.
So guys, as you can see here in my side, the ATV, no, nindot na siya guys kay when you visit here at La Vista, you can have you can have fun with your friends, no, here while driving the ATV. And it cost how much to, bro, ang ATV ninyo?
200 per 30 minutes.
Oh, so ang ATV guys is 200 per 30 minutes. So affordable lang kayo guys, no, para enjoyable pud kayo nyo pag ani sa La Vista. Dapat maka-try mo ani guys, no. So tara ato i-try ang ATV. Let's go. So guys, we are now here at the racetrack in my back, no. So dagay ipa dagan ng ATV, no. So tunga to si Ivan, and lindo siya guys kay dako ang racetrack. Masulit gid nimo ang imong pagsakay diri. You need to try this guys, very cool.
Lastly is the swimming pool or the poolside area of the place. So just a quick review with the pool. So this pool is actually a beach type, which actually means that the further you go, the deeper it gets. So it is pretty safe to your kids or children because it gradually gets deeper.
Mo di ay. No? So pila ang kuan bro, ang maligo 50, no?
Oh, 50 ang maligo.
50 pesos. So exclusive o kung kuan siya bro, exclusive
Exclusive is 4,500.
one day. Sa pool lang yan, no?
Oh, sa pool.
Sa pool lang, no? So nice kayo, no? Guys, maligo na ta guys. Let's go! Very nice at the pool, guys.
So moving to another portion of this place is the Barkadahan Tipi, which can you see beside me. So this Barkadahan Tipi is priced at 2,200, which is good for 4 persons. So moving to the next tipi hut is the small tipi, which can be occupied by 2 persons, which is priced at 1,200.
So lindot kid kayo dito guys, no, if ever na may barkadahan, no, lindot kayo ang place. And kung siya guys, sa mga experience had kaya may next stay, relaxing siya guys, lindot ang quality, simple lang siya ng materials ang gigamit guys sa pag-build ani, pero lindot kayo from bed to CR. So solid kayo. So thank you kayo Sir Kian, thank you kayo.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Okay guys, we are here at the TP hut. So muna siya guys, good for 2 room. Okay, so we have this heater, one with menu cafe, and look at the room, very nice. The best part guys is the CR, and look, they have this cool mirror door. Open natin. Oh, look, simple but nice. You see nila guys. With, of course, merong shower dyan. No? And syempre may aircon, no? So ito yun guys. So dito guys. And we are here guys at the second TP hut. Okay, we're going inside. Yun. So it has 3 bedrooms. Yan. So medyo malaki siya guys, no? Because good for family and barkada dito, no? So up to yan, 8 person if pwede. And also you can add some beddings if you want, no? And we have this same gihapon, heater, water, and aircon. And also the mirror door, which is very nice. Ito natin. Wow! Look at that. Ang ganda guys, oh. Close natin. Whoop. Ito yung wider view niya guys. Look. Nice, no? Simple but nice. Approve. It's dinner time! In the evening, they serve this delicious barbecue. Perfect for friends and family. So tara, mga hanta sa atong dinner for tonight.
I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. Everything about you calling out to me. I got to hold ya.
Hey guys! Today guys is mag-dinner tata and nanato sa barbecue lounge. And ready na atong food. And we would like to thank the La Vista for the food guys. So natay kauban, say hi guys! Hi, mingaw ka guys, ipanggutom na sila. Actually, ipanggutom na sila. So, natay ko under guys, natay chicken, natay fruits, and natay puso. So, ang specialty karon guys is ang buot bilao na diri. Dili siya apil ang buot bilao ko na siya. Gihatag nila ma'am sa tuwa. So, let's go guys, mga ontas atong dinner and 3, 2, 1, go!
I mean every little word. I can't get you out of my mind. Oh baby, every curse like a.
And after sa our dinner, nami karon sa among room. Next guys is we're gonna go outside and have a bonfire. So, let's go!